Welcome to Suzanna's How To. Today we're gonna do salt crystal. Now I'll tell you what we need. We need food coloring or like paint, some color. I choose blue food coloring. In a bowl, scissors, salt, spoon in a jar, a string, a stick. It can like cover it like behind the jar in the very far. And then some hot water. We first take the stick and then tie it around the stick. The string, tie it around the stick. Make sure you don't touch the bottom, like me. And then we take the scissors and cut open the salt. And then we'll pour all of it in the and then like this, and then we take the hot water and then put it here, and then open it, let it boil.
A few moments later.
I'm all done with my hot water. Please let an adult to help you. This is very, very hot. We first take my food coloring and open it and put one little drop. And then we take the spoon and stir it. And then we take one whole spoon and then pour it in. And then stir it. And then we take some more, a whole spoon, pour it in, and then stir it. And then we do it again and again until the salt don't mix inside anymore. We already put all the salt in. Let's put the string in. You can if it don't fall down, you can tie something heavy or wait a couple minutes. Let's wait a couple days and see what will happen. I waited a few days and now I already take it out, but most is the crystal will grow on the bottom because too much salt. And some grows on the string, look. And I grew again and I use smaller string. Now look, I use another kind of salt to make this. I use sea salt in a pipe cleaner. And I left it in for a very long time. It looks like a lot snow is falling from the sky and just don't know what it happened. But look down here and look. I made it. So have some in the jar. Uh-oh. Funny. Let's touch it. Whoa. Like snow. Listen. If you can't hear it, you can make it by yourself and then dump it out and then try it. Just like some snow. Thank you for watching Suzanna's How Do. Please hit a thumbs up.